In this video, I'll show you how to sign in to your Xiaomi account using another device on your Xiaomi 17 Pro. So let's say for instance you have a Xiaomi account on another phone and you'd like to add it on your Xiaomi 17 Pro. All you have to do is on the other phone, simply go to settings. Then within the settings, scroll down and find the Xiaomi account, select it, and then you should get to this page. Now once you're here, all you have to do is go to the Xiaomi 17 Pro, and then go to settings, and then you should see the option sign in to Xiaomi account. Tap on that, and then from here, simply select the quick sign in option. So tap on it, and then you have to scan the QR code. So on your other device, simply tap on the scan QR code option at the top right corner, and then simply scan the QR code. So let me just do that. Now once you scan this QR code, you should see this prompt or warning. Sign in from a new location. Your account is at risk if that wasn't you. So to confirm the sign in, tap on sign in. And then you should see you have automatically signed into your Xiaomi 17. So it might give you some permission. Simply tap on agree. And then give it a few seconds. And there you go. You can now see my account. I've successfully transferred it. So I've successfully transferred my account from this phone to my Xiaomi 17 Pro. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.